Hello, 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 and welcome to day 16 of the Flylady 31 Baby Step Challenge. Oh my goodness, we are more than halfway through, and today is another easy peasy day. Flylady wants us to go to her website and look at a morning musing, a testimonial, or ask Flylady a question. I will show you the baby step on how to get there so you can select whichever one that you want, but make sure that we are keeping up those habits. In the morning, we have been dressing to shoes, doing a 2-minute hot spot, a 5-minute room rescue, a 15-minute declutter, 15-minute rest. We also have been checking our emails for 15 minutes, as well as doing a daily mission and now making our beds. In the evening, we have been shining our sink, doing another hot spot, another 5-minute room rescue, picking out our clothes, and checking our calendars. So make sure you're doing these habits every single day. I hope you're seeing some very big changes. Don't forget that for the whole entire day, we are to turn those negative thoughts into positive thoughts. So first things first, we're going to want to go to the Flylady website. By the way, did you know that KAOS stands for Can't Have Anyone Over Syndrome? So once we're at the Flylady website, we're going to go ahead and search for the 31 baby steps. It should be these ones right over here. Once there, you're going to select the day we are on, which in this case is day 16. Then you can go ahead and see the articles that she would like for you to read. Select 1 or 3 of these and mission complete. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye. Don't forget to comment down after you finish today's mission for a chance to win. And don't forget that if you want a bonus entry, tag me on Instagram at buildherhome with a photo of your control journal. I'm so excited to see all of your wonderful creations. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.